Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to upload documents to DeepSeek AI. In order to upload documents in DeepSeek AI such as PDFs, Word files, etc., first of all launch open the DeepSeek AI application on your device and make sure to log into your account as well. Now in the conversation section, simply tap on the plus button at the bottom right and you will see a little document option. Tap on document and this will take you to your device's recents file from where you can choose a document or file to upload. After choosing the document, click on open at the top right and this will upload your document in the DeepSeek AI conversation. And that is how you easily upload documents in DeepSeek AI. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DeepSeek tutorials. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.